Lights, camera, action! And I mean serious action, you guys. The DJI Action 2 is an ultra versatile and super powerful action camera. Capture your experiences whether you're skydiving or just hanging with friends and family. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, and I'm back again with another episode of Unbox This. Today we're unboxing the new DJI Action 2, an incredibly small, lightweight camera that gives you insanely high-quality photos and videos. This camera's size and power are what truly stand out about it, but its versatility is also so noteworthy. The magnetic design lets you swap out accessories based on what you're capturing. Selfie sticks, gimbals, and additional screens can easily click onto the camera, so you're free to record your life however you want to. So let's get this tiny guy out of the box. It is time to unbox this. It's always kind of refreshing when I get a product as small as this because I know I'm not going to be working up a sweat trying to get it out of the box like some of those TVs and sound bars we've unboxed on this show before. So let's do this. Here's a QR code to download the DJI app. Here we have some stickers. This is the warranty agreement, some safety guidelines, and the quick start guide. And this is the camera. This is even smaller than I was expecting. You can hold it in the palm of your hand. So nice. Wow, that is very impressive. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. It's so tiny, I feel like I'll lose it. This is the expansion port. We have a peel moment. This is a USB to USB-C cord. This is the magnetic mount, and I want you guys to watch as I do this. It snaps right into place, and that is a very, very strong magnetic connection. Like, trying to remove this is actually a little bit difficult, but that just means that your camera is going to be super sturdy with that magnetic design. If you would prefer to wear your DJI Action 2 camera, you can use this and wear it almost like a necklace. Let's test out the magnetic capabilities of this right now. So you can slip it on and wear it like a necklace. Kind of an interesting point of view experience. Okay, so we have this, which I believe works in conjunction with this, so I am going to unwrap this right here. Okay, so you would... And then these two can connect like this. This would be great if you're wanting to film something selfie style. You can set it up like that, and it works sort of like a stand. The DJI Action 2 has a lightweight aluminum body that looks super sleek and minimalistic. Even though it's tiny, it feels pretty tough, which is exactly what you would want in an action camera. Like I mentioned before, you have the magnetic design that gives you the freedom to attach whatever accessories you want, so you can create the videos of your dreams. I already showed you how you can turn the DJI Action Cam into a wearable device with this. I've also now attached the second screen here, so I could see myself in the monitor when I'm shooting things selfie style. You'll capture footage in 4K at 120 frames per second, meaning it'll be super smooth and crystal clear. The 155-degree super wide angle improves your depth of field and shows off more of your surroundings. The Action 2 camera comes with a custom spheric lens that sharpens edges and reduces image distortion. If you're using your Action Cam to record a bumpy skateboard ride or a high-intensity mountain bike trail, Horizon Steady is a feature that keeps your footage level. It's like built-in stabilization. The algorithm actually detects and corrects a shaky camera and unwanted rotation in real time. If you're into cool features, you can take advantage of time-lapse, 8K slow motion, and digital zoom to really give your videos some flair. I know it's little, but this camera can withstand a lot. The Action 2 camera is drop-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof up to 10 meters. The Gorilla Glass touchscreen and lens also add to its durability. Creators will love how versatile and portable the DJI Action 2 camera is. With its anti-shake algorithm and its front touchscreen module, you're free to express yourself however you want. Intelligent Audio also captures dynamic and focused sound through the 4-mic matrix stereo. It's hard to believe something so small carries so much power. Adrenaline junkies, YouTubers, and just regular people living their lives will love the 4K images that come out of this tiny device. I've got the DJI Action Cam 2 all set up. Let's put it to the test. I have the app downloaded on my phone, and I'm gonna press record. What's up, everybody? Here I am on the Unbox This set. I've got the Newegg logo right behind me. I've got the crew over here. We're all working together to put together a nice Unbox This episode for you. Okay, so the first thing that I want to point out, you guys, is just how convenient it is having this selfie-style camera right here. It really just makes it easy to know exactly what I'm shooting. I can make sure my hair is not out of place. I can make sure I don't look shiny, and I really appreciate that. But if you don't really plan on shooting selfie-style videos, that wide angle that you get is so cool. You're really able to take in a lot of your surroundings, and I can see that being super beneficial for somebody who's really into action videography or maybe travel videography. You can really just take in a lot of what's going on. This is awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye, guys. Take the DJI Action Cam wherever you go. Shop for one at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to record with your DJI Action 2 camera. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.